Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Faiza binti Abdul Rashid. My matrix number is 10DTK21F1069 and I am from class DTK2B. So today I would like to present the topic of differentiation and I already chosen the question number 4. So I will present the introduction of differentiation and stationary point. Stationary point of a function fx is a point where the derivative of fs is equal to 0. These points are called stationary because at these points the function is neither decreasing nor increasing. The stationary point of a function is defined as the point where the derivative of a function is equal to 0. To determine the stationary point in maxima and minima, the second derivative of the function is determined. Last but not least, how do you find a stationary point? We know that at stationary points, dy per dx equal to 0. By differentiating, we get dy per dx equal to 2x. The stationary points on the graph occur when 2x equal to 0, which is when x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Therefore, the coordinates of the stationary points are 0, 0.
Hi, my name is Nur Azwatu Nadira binti Ahmad Ridwan. My number matric is 10DTK21F1048. So today I want to show you how to make a calculate of a absolute maximum and minimum of a function. So firstly, this question is show about y equal to 4x power of 3 plus 3x power of 2 minus 6x minus 4. So the solution is find dx per dy. So y equal to 4x power of 3 plus 3x power of 2 minus 6x minus 4. So make a derive of x. After you make derive of x, we must to show the equation of dy per dx. So 3 bracket 4x power of 3 minus of 1 plus 2 bracket 3x minus power of 2 minus 1 minus 6 minus 0. So the next question we get a 12 power of 2 plus 6x minus 6. So from there we must to find the value of x. So we using the formula dy per dx equal to 0. So 0 equal to 12 power of 2 plus 6x minus 6. So x1 we get a 0.5 and x2 we get a minus 1. So we go to find a value of y. So y equal to 4x minus of 3. Y equal to 4x power of 3 plus 3x power of 2 minus 6x minus 4. So we make a conclusion. We put a 0.5 into the equation to find the value of y. So 4 bracket 0.5 power of 3 plus 3 bracket 0.5 power of 2 minus 6 bracket 0.5 minus 4. So when make a calculate, you will get negative 5.75. So next we want to know the y2. So we must make a calculation. So put a minus 1 into the equation. So y equal to 4 bracket negative 1 power of 3 plus 3 negative 1 power of 2 plus 3 plus 6 bracket minus 1 minus 4. We got a 1. So the stationary point is xy equal to xy equal to 0.5 and minus 5.75, and another one is negative 1 and 1. So we go to the next slide. So this one is stationary point, which has a 3 type of stationary point or turning point. We call that nature. So we make a second order. So find by using the equation d power of 2y dx power of 2. So using the derived equation, which is 12x minus 12x power of 2 plus 6x minus 6, we got and make a derive, and you can got 24x minus 6, and then put the negative 1 into the bracket, and you will get a negative 18. So after that, you make another derive, and using the x, which is 24x plus 6, and put the bracket into the 1, and you will got 13, which is a negative 18 is maximum point. And we can see here negative 18 is more bigger from 0, and another one is 13 is a minimum point. That's all.
So, based on the question, how to find x and y? Y intersection with x equal to 0. Y equal 4x power of 3 plus 3x power of 2 minus 6x minus 4. So, when we derive the answer, we will get negative 4. So, for x intersection with y equal to 0. Y insert from the question, the value is 4x power of 3 plus 3x power of 2 minus 6x minus 4. Then y we replace with 0. So 0 equal to 4x power of 3 plus 3x power of 2 minus 6x minus 4. So the answer for x is we will get 1.2, negative 1.31, negative 0.64. So that's all.
Miss Muhammad Faris bin Azhar. My registration number is 10DTK21F1067 from class DTK to B. So to sketch the graph for question number 4, first we need to identify the few main points, which is the stationary point, y intersection, and x intersection. So my friend previously has shown you how to get the value for this main point. So for x intersection, the main point that we get is 1.2. The second one is 1.31, and the last one is negative 0.64. So for the value for y intersection is negative 4 that we got, and lastly for stationary point we got 0.5, negative 5.75, and lastly the second one is negative 1 and 1. So to sketch the graph, you will need to put this main point and mark them on your graph. And lastly, you just have to connect the dot lah. So the value will be like this. That's all for me. I hope you will understand this clearly. Thank you.